Hello everyone, this is Niro from Incuse. Today I am excited to show how we are using latest AI technologies to build full stack application with vo.dev. At Incuse, we are a professional AI solution company to deliver cutting edge software fast. First, I am covering all the basic features for v0.dev. Then I will present a quick small demo for all the features. First, here you are looking for the one of the drop down. Here I see all the all past projects I have created in my past chat, and here you are also looking is a one of file uploading icons. From there, you can upload one of your any projects from your computer if you have created already. Then you can upload it from here. Then you need any changes for regarding UI and anything, and you can go with that. And here one magical feature for the UI. This is very good features. If you have any Figma URL for the create a URL of your projects, then you can easily click here and attach your Figma link, and you can proceed with that. Then v0.dev is easily create one UI for same as like your Figma. This is a very good features also. Then here is some basic features for your recent chats and your past chat projects and communities. If you have selected any favorite projects, then favorite chat also. Then some recent checklists. Also, you here one of the feedback icons. If you feel good with that with v0.dev, then you can also share feedback from here. So let's start with a small demo. Firstly, I have written small some prompts for my demo. Yeah, here is my prompt. Now I am uploading. Yes. Look, v0.dev is a thinking for me. Now I don't need to think for all of the components and all and write manually. Yeah, you are also looking in the screen. Here is the code, and v0.dev is writing code my components and uh, give up a few minutes. He is visitor to dev is completing. Then after we will see preview for the my projects. In this v0.dev is this is also good features. In I have also used some other tools regarding AI, but in that I am not able to see any preview for my projects. But in the v0.dev we are also able to see if you have written anything, then you need to see your preview. Then v0.dev is also providing preview features. This is also good features. Then here if you are also see there's one download icon and one copy icon. If you need any only download all the completed projects, then you can download from here. If you need only single file, then you can copy here and paste your in your projects, then it's also work. Right now I am using a pro version, but in the free version you are also using the v0 redo. In the free version, v0 is providing daily 3 trials, so can also it's use first experience for the free version, then you can go with the pro. Yeah. Now our project demo is completed. V0.dev is created as per my written prompt. You can see in my screen. Here is the I have created one demo for iVision. For the Here is created completely UI for the form and my all the basic components. Yeah. Now let's see this is working or not. You can select problems from here, then generator. Yeah, I said Visual.dev in the prompt. I need to create one small demo for the eye reason. If I have some problems with my eyes, then I need to fill some details, my name and what is issue in my eyes. Then he's created the my eye reports. It's amazing. Also, UI is good. Now I'm going to create a new one. Yeah. Also here, you all the core files. You can see here, Visual is created all small components with a base structure, and then it's all the code is very clear and readable. Uh, it's very pretty simple components. I Visual is also create one PNG image for me. Yeah. Here is my if after my if you have any complete projects, and you can check from in the preview this is working fine if or not. If you need any changes, then write down from here. Then if you feel all features is good, as per my prompt, I checked my all the features is working good. So if I need to deploy directly from here, then you can deploy here. You can see one button from here. You can deploy directly from the backend. For the backend, v0.dev is a Vercel using the Vercel domain. So Vercel is only deploy front end side. If you need your backend project deploy, then you can look any other domain. Yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching this Visual video. Thank you so much. So, if you are looking for digital transformation, Infuse is here to help you. So, don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Thank you.